Ditch the band. My name is Brittany Bailey and I'm a veterinary technician. I would describe my hair as being locked and lovely. My hair has been locked for 4 years now this past January. I was tired of having natural hair and I didn't have the patience to do it on a daily basis. I would normally put my locks in an elastic headband just because it was longer than your average hair tie, but I would have to tie it multiple times to get it around my hair. When I wore the headbands before being introduced to the PuffCuff, it had my hair really tight. I would always have headaches at the end of the day. And then with me having eye impairments also, it was like a vision headache along with hair tied headaches. It was a struggle. I found out about the PuffCuff last October of 2016, where I went to a hair show model casting call. My experience since knowing about the PuffCuff has been mind-blowing. I literally wear it every single day to work and when I'm not at work. The difference between a PuffCuff and the elastic band is I only have to put it on once. There's no need to having to retie and rewrap, and there's no headaches. I have not had a headache in a long time unless I'm just really hungry. It's just been something that I like to keep in my regime every day. You should try it. It's definitely a life changer. If you have someone that is constantly dealing with hair issues, loosening edges, having tension in their head constantly, you should definitely give it a try because you will not have those issues anymore. You would love the PuffCuff. You will not have to use your own locks to put your hair in a ponytail like I used to do, and you will have something that's just quick and easy. And I have a son, so it's easy for me just even driving in my car, but I just put it on, clamp it, and go about my day.